day everyone, this is Pauline Ligora from BSHM2D, and for today I'm going to tackle about patterns and numbers in our nature and in the world. Understanding nature and our world through the lens of mathematics is very helpful. The study of patterns in nature and environment made more important by the nature of mathematics. Everywhere you look, mathematics is used to explain the most beneficial phenomena. Even simply taking a look at the area of the house, rooms, street, or even our nature and environment, it reveals mathematics. Mathematics aid in the organization of patterns and regularities in the world, the prediction of natural phenomenon and behavior, and the control of nature and events for human benefits.
Patterns. Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world. These patterns occur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. Natural patterns include symmetries, trees, spirals, wave, foams, distillations, cracks, and stripes. Symmetry. Mathematically, symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in some way. Turn, flip, or slide. For two objects to be symmetrical, they must be the same size and shape, with one object having a different orientation from the first. So next, we have the trees or fractal. So a fractal is a detailed pattern that looks similar at any scales and repeats itself over time. A fractal pattern gets more complex as we observe it at larger scale. The example of fractals shown after this shows is simple shapes multiplying over time yet maintaining the same pattern. Examples of fractals in nature are snowflakes, trees branching, lighting, and ferns.
Spirals. A spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on a center point in a series of circular shapes that revolve around it. Examples of spirals are pine cones, pineapples, and hurricanes. The reason for why plants or objects use a spiral form is because they are constantly trying to grow but stay secure. A spiral shape causes objects or plants to condense themselves and not take up as much space, causing it to be stronger and more durable against the elements.
The stripe pattern has an evolutionary explanation. It increases the chances or survival through camouflage and signaling. It is most commonly known in zebras and ladybird, but other species often contain spot and stripes too. Cracks are linear openings that form in materials to relieve stress. When an elastic material stretches or shrinks uniformly, it eventually reaches its breaking strength and then fails suddenly in all directions, creating cracks with 120-degree joints, so three cracks meet at a node. Conversely, when an inelastic material fails, straight cracks form to relieve the stress. Thus, the pattern of cracks indicates whether the material is elastic or not.
Foams are typically referred to as a mass of bubbles, but other types of foams can be seen within the patterns of certain animal species, such as the leopard, giraffe, and the tortoises. Waves are disturbances that carry energies as they move. Wind waves are created as wind passes over a large body of water, creating patterns or ripples. When wind passes over land, it creates dunes. Dunes may form a range of patterns as well.
So if you can say nature is beautiful, it is filled with different kinds of patterns, like what we watched here in the video. There is symmetry, trees, fractals, spirals, waves, foams, cracks, and also stripes. It can help us to find logic and order in our lives. While these patterns bring a sense of calm and understanding, they also spark our curiosity. Knowing how beneficial patterns are, it makes perfect sense to build them into all aspects of design. So that's it. Take some time to look around and enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all learned something. Bye!